Hello. With regard to the assignment yesterday, I gave an assignment that we design our code that the yellow blink has to blink 3 times and the red LED has to blink 4 times. So I said you should reduce, provide a code that will reduce the coding because the coding yesterday was too long. So reduce it such that we are going to have a short code. So finally we came out with this that this was what we do. At the point of the yellow blink, we came here, yellow blink equals to 3. We have the red blink equals to 5, and we also have integer j. Definitely when we come down here, this is where we have the changes. This is where the changes occur. I said that I provide a for loop. I say for j equals to 1, j should be what? J should be less than or equals to the yellow blink, and what? J should have an increment. So when j is equals to 1, right? J should always be less than the yellow blink. So our yellow blink there is 3. So when j is always less than 3, it will come back to that loop. And when j is greater than 3, it is going to move. It's going to move down and move to the second loop. And the second loop now moving to the red LED. That we said for the j is equals to 1 and j is less than or equals to the red blink. We say the j is equals to j plus 1. So at that point, when now j is not less than that red blink, because the red blink there is 5, it's going to go back now to the first loop. So it is going to alternate like that. So that is why you see the traffic light, you see that time that there's a given period of time, because this time that we program 500 is 500 milliseconds away there. This is half a second. So this is 500 milliseconds. So when you program it, it give a given period of time. You see traffic light, you see light, after some time it stop, the other road is moving through. That is how it is. So this is just for the start, so we need to do something, but we are moving towards something. Okay.